I'm glad Peter already stepped in, and I would like to invite you, Peter, to share your experience with us with strength building and Buteyko, especially your experience before Buteyko and after you started practicing Buteyko.
Thank you, Sasha. Yes, I've been an active strength builder, let's say, for probably the last 6 or 7 years. That's when I discovered the CrossFit gym nearby. And I was sort of heading in that direction anyway, because I'd spent many years studying Pilates, enjoyed it immensely, but then I kind of moved on. And what I like about the CrossFit approach is they are constantly teaching you. And what you need to, for me, and I think for anyone, if you really want to take your strength building seriously, that is, you're getting with a set of barbells or dumbbells or whatever, you need to have someone with eyes on you to show you how to do it. And so what I found is my background in the Buteyko method meshed beautifully with strength training, because there's a point in the lift where you have to kind of, you either inhale or you could exhale and hold it, and then complete the lift on the up, and then you can relax going down. But you still have to have that level of tension in your body. And as I say, the Buteyko method is ideal for it. Now, the CrossFit approach also includes a bit or a lot of cardio. And as I'm one of the oldest people in my gym now that are taking the regular classes, there are times when I just literally can't breathe through my nose to complete whatever I have to do. I'm already stopped running, so I'll get on the bike or I'll power walk. But there are other items in there that I literally just can't do anymore. I have a blood oxygen saturation issue now that just showed up, where all of a sudden I can't go any further. But it took me to push it hard to find that point. So, but still, the Buteyko method is there, and it's golden for me, and I use it. The strength training for me is probably my favorite part of those classes. I was horrible at pull-ups. I'm a little better at it. I'm still not that good, but I have this attitude about I can manage all of this information that's being given to me and learn it and use it. And what I find, it's incredibly useful as you increase your strength, doing everything around the house. We're always bending over and lifting or reaching up and doing all sorts of stuff like that, where if you know that you're solid, you don't have to worry about throwing your back out and you're going, oh man, and you're walking around and it hurts. That very rarely, or if never, happens anymore. Sure, you get little tweaks every once in a while, but it's incredibly useful, and I can't promote it enough. The CrossFit gym is my way. There might be other methods available to you where you live, which could work just as well. Well, the main thing is they're teachers where you are, and they can show you and watch you do it.
Thank you, Peter. Is it okay if I ask you to share how old you are?
Yes, I'm 70.
You're 70, yeah.
And I got a few of the, yes. And as I